If you want to set up the app timer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down and we need to find digital well-being and parental controls. In here we have app timer section, so we can also find some examples, some suggestions that you can easily set up, but you can also tap on the tile itself in order to create your own timer. Here at first we have apps and app categories, so you can choose which apps should be limited. Of course, you can choose whole categories if you want. So, like if you have some games or other stuff that you wish to set up the app timer for, then of course you can select the whole category. Now, whatever you select in here, the app timer is going to be shared between these all apps. So first we create the timer, and then that one timer is for every app that is included. You can create multiple timers with different apps if you want to have different timers for different apps on your phone. Of course, after that we're gonna set up the name for the timer. You can also tap on the icon on the right side in order to adjust it. And we can also use app timer alerts in order to be informed that you are about to run out of time. You can also create a schedule in order to, for example, choose a different timer for different days of the week. If you, for example, wish to have less time throughout the day, throughout the whole week, I mean. But, for example, on the weekend, if you wish to have more time, then you should be able to choose, for example, Saturday and Sunday, and maybe Friday, of course, and then you can set up a different time. So let's say for the whole week, from Monday to Thursday, I'm gonna set up 2 hours in here. Let me actually go back, and then for let's say the weekend over here, I should be able to set up 4 hours instead. And there we go, this is how it looks like. So once we are done, we're just gonna tap on save at the bottom of the screen, and we have our app timer created. You can also go to the list of app timers and you can create more timers if you want to. Leave a like and subscribe.